Hey folks, welcome to my channel number pin. So there we have the problem on the screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. We have 25 times x into e to the power minus 5x, right? So what we've been given is dy by dx and we've been asked to find y. My y is nothing but integral of the given expression. So let's write down our y. So that's my y. Now I will have to reduce y to a much simpler expression whose antiderivative I know from first principles or any of the identities we have learned so far. So, what is that method I will have to adopt to solve for y? Can I solve it by the method of substitution? The answer is no. Why? Because I have two expressions. I've got an x and I've got an e to the power minus 5x. And in fact, we can pull out that 25 being a constant. So let me take that out. So we've got a x, we've got a e to the power minus 5x dx. So am I able to connect both, uh, in any form? The answer is no. But I do see that I have this in the form integral of u dv. So can we go ahead and apply integration by parts? Okay, so let me write down what my integration by parts says. Integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du, right? So the key here is to choose the right u and v to enable us to solve this particular problem, right? I have two possible options here. One is I choose my u to be e to the power minus 5x, and the other is I choose my u to be x, right? Let's choose the second option. U equals x and dv equals e to the power minus 5x dx, right? I have my u, I have my dv. So can I figure out what is my v from dv? My v is nothing but integral of e to the power minus 5x dx, right? And this is something which is quite familiar to us. And the answer for that is e to the power minus 5x divided by minus 5, right? I'm not going to add the constant here. We will do that towards the end, right? And I have my v with me right now. And I have my u. So do I know my du? Yes, the answer for du is dx. So I have my u, I have my v, I have my du, I have my dv. So can we go ahead and apply this to the integration by parts identity? So I have my LHS, which is integral of x into e to the power minus 5x dx equal to my uv is nothing but x into e to the power minus 5x divided by minus 5, right? So what is that? X into e to the power minus 5x divided by minus 5. That's my uv. And now I come to my integral of v du, right? I notice that my v has got a minus 1 by 5. So I pull out that minus 1 by 5 because 1 by 5 is a constant. And then I have my e to the power minus 5x part of v inside the integral now. So du is nothing but dx, right? So this is what we have. And do we know the answer for integral of v du? The answer is yes. We have more or less arrived at what we want. Integral of e to the power minus 5x dx is nothing but e to the power minus 5x divided by minus 5, right? So what we will get is a minus of 1 by 25 times e to the power minus 5x. We have the answer for integral of u dv. Now I go back to my y and solve for y. So my y becomes equal to 25 into integral of x into e to the power minus 5x dx is what we solved just now, right? Plus c. I have my constant now. I go to the next line. I know that I can do a little more of simplification. My first part of the expression has got a 25 in the numerator and a minus 5 in the denominator. So I can write it as minus 5 times x into e to the power minus 5x. And my second part has got a 25 in the numerator and a 25 in the denominator, so which can get cancelled, and I can write it as minus of e to the power minus 5x, right? And then I have my constant. So the answer to this problem is minus 5 times x into e to the power minus 5x minus of e to the power minus 5x plus c, right? Let me highlight my final answer in pink. There we are. I hope you found my content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support.